balancing toner, we actually advise them to use the vitamin C. So it has 20% vitamins. That's why it is called vitamin C 20% serum. So it actually has 20% vitamin C on it. Most of the vitamin C available in the market do have only 5, 10, 15% of vitamin C. But with Olivia Kido Skincare, we actually have 20% vitamin C on it. That's how potent our serum or our vitamin C is. It has high dose of antioxidant and rich in vitamin C. So vitamin C, we all know that it can also be great for those who have pigmentation or who have dark spots, as well as to prolong the aging of your skin. It can actually brighten your skin once you use this vitamin C. So with vitamin C, if you have pimples or acne, we don't actually advise to use the vitamin C. They can actually skip this one. Once they can how to use it, they can apply this in the morning, okay? And then they can have it 3 to 4 drops, and then smooth all over their face. And then they can actually follow up with another liquid form of product, which is the beauty oil. Okay, so vitamin C, it has, aside from the higher dosage of vitamin C, it also has lilac stem cell and sea daffodil as well. And it also has hyaluronic acid, which it can actually gives you more smooth skin. It can actually eliminate those wrinkles, improve the texture of your skin, and, you know, give some more moisture and hydration on your skin. So that's going to be the purpose of hyaluronic acid on our skin.